Hey Job Pro customers, and welcome back to another video in our ongoing tutorial series. Today we will be coming to you with a feature that oftentimes gets overlooked, but in our minds is one of the most effective tools Job Pro offers. Here at Job Pro, our mission is to make your business easy, efficient, and profitable. The System Configuration tool is something that makes these three goals more easily attainable. Let's get started. To access the system configuration, navigate to the Settings dropdown and choose System Configuration. This will open a new window. Here you can see that there are several different configuration options on the left-hand side of the window. One important note we'd like to point out is that the Invoice, Job Document, Customer Document, Proposal, and Proposal Agreement templates are all options that allow you to completely customize the looks of each of these documents within your system. However, they all require a somewhat extensive knowledge of HTML and CSS to edit. That is where support is here to help. If this is an option you'd like to explore, contact us today and we will be glad to provide you with a quote to customize the document or documents you need. Let's review the rest of your options within the system configuration. General allows you to update some of your company information, including your business name, location, and your system defaults for customer terms and the estimated duration unit label. Bid types is where you can customize the options that appear in your bid type drop-down menu. To add a new bid type, simply click the green Add Bid Type button, enter the name, and click Add. Bid types can be edited further by assigning a color, determining if bids of this type are taxable, and changing the labor estimated method and/or the sales unit of measure. Commission plans is where you can set up and utilize commission plans for your salespeople. For a more in-depth look at how this works, check out our commission plans tutorial. Job statuses is where you can configure the statuses your organization will use to correctly label jobs in your system. Simply click the green Add Job Status button, enter the new status name, and click Add. Each job status can be edited to include a description, assign a color, and determine whether jobs with this status will be available to your technicians on the technicians platform or included on the scheduler. Job types is where you can customize the options that appear in your job type drop-down menu. Simply click the green Add Job Type button, enter the name, and click Add. These can also be edited further by adding a description and assigning a color. Job types have the additional option to include the job type capacity. Capacities enable your scheduler/dispatcher to better plan the workload of the upcoming days. When a capacity is set, it will display on the scheduler as a progress indicator. There are 3 different types of capacities available to choose from. Attachments is where you can upload and configure attachments that will be available on different documents within your system. To upload a new attachment, simply click the green Add New Attachment button, select the file you'd like to upload, add a description, and click Upload. Your attachments can be configured to be available for a select office, job type, customer type/category, and/or the document type, as well as be set as a requirement for any of these options. An important note for attachments is that at least one document type must be selected in order for this attachment to be available. The proposal price/profit restrictions allows you to set a specific total price, gross profit percent, or net profit percent that must be achieved before a proposal can be created through the bid worksheet. These can be configured at the office, resource, or company-wide level. The resource level settings will override the office level, and the office level settings will override those at the company level. To add a new restriction, click the green Add Proposal Price/Profit Restriction button, then choose the restriction type, and simply add in your restrictions and click Add. Request types is where you can configure the request questions that allow you to gather specific information when entering a data sheet. Multiple request types can be configured for different scenarios. Click the green Add Request Type button, enter the name, and click Add. From there, you will be able to add as many request questions as you need for that specific request type. Finally, we have the standard crews. If you're sending the same crews out each day, standard crews allows you to set up those crews so it is easier and more efficient to schedule and process your jobs. Once these are set up, they will appear on the crew view of your weekly schedule, as well as the Crew/Scheduler tab on the job itself. Simply click the green Add Standard Crew button, choose the office, and a pop-up window will appear where you can configure your crew. Here you can select whether this crew is a default crew, which populates on the Crew/Scheduler tab of the job, whether they are available within the scheduler to be scheduled to a delivery as a delivery crew, or a job as an installation crew. If you pay piece rate, you can enter percentages here that will determine how that piece rate pay is split between resources on your crew. That is going to wrap up our overview of the system configuration tool. Some of these functions are permission-based, so if you do not have them available, ask your supervisor to let us know and we can enable them for your user ID. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to your JobPro support team today. You can call us at 704-584-4019, submit a ticket through our new support portal, or email us at support@jobprotect.com. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.